We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. Hello everyone, myself P. Subhasri from Sri Aglaneshwari Women's College, pursuing third year of chemistry. I am here to orient a beautiful topic and a quite interesting one. To be grown up is a state of mind. I repeat, to be grown up is a state of mind. Growing up means growing by our minds, and yes, we can say that it is a state which everyone does not achieve. It is a state of mind that one can achieve at an early age or late in their lives, because it's not depend on age. When we grow up mentally, we begin to think distinctly. We are clear in our heads and what we want to achieve and what we want from our life. A developed and a grown up mind reflects our positive thought, positive achievements, and it distinguishes between the right and the wrong. A grown up mind is contented and satisfied. It does not harm others. It is socially and emotionally stable. So it can be rightly said, growing up is a state of mind. Growing up is a part of life. We grow all the time. We are born as a tiny little infants, and then slowly but surely our bodies grow physically and our minds grow mentally. We learn new things every day and gain from the different experiences that we go through. All these learning experiences that we endure boost our maturity level, and this results in what we call growing up. But the process of growing up is different for every individual. The sense of maturity that we gain results from the environment that we live in and the challenges we have to undergo. And since we all are different human beings, our lives are completely different from one another. Some people sustain heavy losses at a very tender age and end up having to carry a heavy burden, and are forced to gain maturity faster than people who are sheltered by the arms of their parents and have not yet gone through the hardships of life. Although I do agree in one aspect that a sense of maturity that comes with age. Maturity is not when we start speaking big things. Maturity is when we start understanding small things. I would also have to say that due to the different conditions in our lives, the degree of growing up is varies. I here conclude my speech by saying I found that growing up, being honest, to be honest yourself for a meaning, it's all about what you need, what you think, and what you feel. I end up my speech by saying growing up is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Thank you.